What's up guys, welcome back to my video. As you can see by name of this video, you can show an Amazon product research in 2025 in Helium 10 and X-ray, Cerebro and Black Box in Explanator. We show in for Amazon tutorial research shop. As you can see, you can show in Helium 10 and .com website. You can social and then you storefront Helium 10 has entered the chat this event, and as you can see, you can show in plans and pricing and effortlessly expand your Amazon operation to TikTok, for example, show with our news head and of TikTok specific features like the toy in diamond. So you can see this show, and for example, and right now you can save and up to 25% per month when billed annually, for example, and the pricing diamond and for $229 per month and billed annually, perfect for expert sellers looking to scale on Amazon and beyond. Residential product research and 5 and keyword research 5, all keyword research and advertising, for example this new option, and operations and learning in 5 stars you can show. For example, diamond, it's full version, and this Helium 10, and the next, and platinum $79 per month. So everything for building a business now with all EI advertising. EI advertising, for example, product research 4 stars and keyword research 4 stars, and advertising only 1 stars. For example, for comparison in diamond, for 5 stars in diamond, and operation 4 stars, and learning is 3 stars. For example, it's difference for diamond budget plan and platinum budget plan, and starter plan only $39 per month and bill annually. The training for trainings and tools that you need to get started. For example, this comparison with diamond and platinum is so volatile, for example, and the starter only 1 stars in product research, in keyword research 1 stars, and advertising not have, and operation 1 stars, and learning in 2 stars. For example, what differentiates you can show this for what starter plan almost 7 times less than diamond star visit plan, and 2 times less than platinum. For starting, you can use this starter, and after that you can, for example, buy this platinum stars. So this, for example, Helium 10 and 4+ million sellers trust Helium 10 to elevate their success. Access 30 tools to take your business to next level. For example, this you can show the launch PPC at companies with ease and increase your Amazon sales by leveraging AI to launch automated companies in minutes. No PPC exercise recurrent. Drive traffic to your listing. Use Helium 10 keywords research tool. Identify top performing keywords and uncover your competitors' most successful strategies. For example, if you're interested in design, for example, you can show learn more, and after tools, this Cerebro and Magnet, these tools, for example, and find highly profitable products, and for example, discover high demand, low competition products, opportunities in every category with our Amazon product research tools. For example, you can show learn more, and for this you can show that right in any companies and products, and you can choose what you want to search. So that 4 million plus e-commerce sellers love Helium 10. That's right. And from entrepreneur with Helium 10, this you can show this video for Helium 10 and customers launching and winning product and never win easier. For example, launching this product, unlock financial freedom with Helium 10 Platinum Plan. Build a profitable Amazon business, create listing passive income, reduce manual tasks, recover $1,000 in lost revenue. So our plan and pricing, you can start it this Helium 10. For example, you can choose and get started in business type and e-commerce marketplaces. Firstly, and the solution, product research, keyword research, for example, Cerebro, and pricing and resources blog and about. For example, solutions and product research, and for firstly we can show in black box, for example, black box and X-ray, and cerebro. Keyword research, cerebro, magnetonite for study. We show and firstly Prime Day, this Amazon Walmart products, for example, Amazon told this one is or this one. Benefits of X-ray. Exploring Amazon sales data through new ACEs. Instant access to over 450 million ACEs with advanced sorting features, sales data capitals to support through keyword research and perform an actionable Amazon products analysis on your direct competitors. Powerful Amazon market insights available directly through your browser. So this X-ray benefits, for example, X-ray offer influencers and the info you need at a glance, and seeing is believing. For example, this you instantly uncover high commission Amazon products and more. And next, for this next, you can show this cover with keywords to drive Amazon sales. For example, get keywords. Get high volume, low competition keywords to better sell your products by entering the same terms is seen or field below. There's benefits of Cerebro. Benefits of Cerebro, you can show and successfully launch new products and bring more references to your brands. Leverage your competitors' keyword ranking strategies to improve your own listings. Gauge the most effective keywords for your products in Amazon and Walmart. And up to 10 scenes product it's and per search, discover great keyword targets and thoroughly examine your keyword opportunities. And Cerebro allows you to gather search volume, volume trends of sponsored scenes of competing products and more. And in this website at Amazon.com you can firstly get do you have these plans. And after that, you can search at this, for example, Cerebro and X-ray and the search trips and black box. And lastly, we can show in black box benefits, the ultimate Amazon products, product niche finder, the ultimate, and find highly profitable, low competition products on Amazon. Use smart filters to uncover unexpected inspiration based on your exact needs, niche, and preferences. Save, sort, and organize results for future references. This your choice in what you different for you. What do you want to use from Amazon.com research this trend, and do you have a necessary option in? You can show benefits black box. And benefits you can show this X-ray and benefits for using Cerebro if your choice. And that's all for now. If you like the video, please put like and subscribe the channel. Thank you all for your attention and your time. See you soon in my best videos. Bye bye.